Actually, it's night time. Car parking, front area, you can have a look. Then you have the backyard, side yard. You can have a look here. This is the backyard. And here is the entrance. Here is the entrance of the villa. You can have a look. Very huge, European style, luxury, nice villa. Good for all nationalities, for Arabs, for everyone. It's very nice villa. It's 4-bedroom villa with maid's room, with laundry room, huge luxury. This is living hall, Majlis. Here you have the dining area. Here you have the dining area. It's come. And then you can have a look next to the dining area. You have connected almost kitchen with complete full privacy. Huge size, very huge size, with nice, extra nice finishing. Hood is there. You can see, have a look. Here you have guest washroom. Super luxury, super nice, super finishing. You can see the size of the guest bathroom. It's very nice. Then we will go here. We will go up. Upstairs, you have. On the right side, you have the bedroom with balcony. You can have a look on the bedroom. Very nice, coming with balcony. You can have a look on the compound. Very nice. All the compound is coming with the sensor lights. Own car parkings. Then on the right side, we have master bedroom. Coming with very nice color tiles bathroom. You can have a look. It's coming with the bathtub. Then you have extra space for cabinets. You can keep good size cabinet, 4-door cabinet, you can keep it here. Here you have the size of the bedroom. Coming with the window, big window, huge, sunny, good for the health. Centralized AC. Then we will go to the 3rd bedroom. First I will show you the standard bathroom. Have a look here on the bathroom, coming with bathtub. Nice style, nice finishing. Neat and clean villa. This is the 3rd bedroom. Have a look on the bedroom. Whole villa is centralized system. All the rooms are coming with the window. This is the 4th bedroom, master bedroom. Super big size, massive size of the apartment. Very nice. And then here you have bathroom, super big size. Have a look on the bathroom. And again, space for the cabinets. Now we will go up to the 2nd floor. Again, coming with the big window, full light at the daytime, no need to switch on the lights. It's coming with the big size roof. I will show you the terrace later. First of all, we will see the laundry area, very nice laundry area. Then here we have maid's room. For sure, we will care for your maid also. Here, see the size of the maid room. It's very nice. You can keep bed, you can keep cabinet, shoes rack, anything you can keep it. And then for sure, it's coming with the attached bathroom. Standing shower, very nice. Now we'll go out. I will show you the terrace area. Yes, here we come to the terrace. Very nice, big size. You can have your barbecue. You can have whatever you want. It's very nice.